Hello, welcome to space. This is the moon. Hey, I'm somewhere else right now. I'm actually at a parking lot near a school. Let's see if I can fix the focus or make it worse. Ooh, that looks good. Thank you. I really appreciate that. We're looking through a Meade ETX 80 right now. Let me see if I can find a logo. Denied. But yeah, it's a little 80 millimeter refractor. Yeah, I agree. This is some good times right here. So yeah, just check out all those craters on the terminus there. We don't usually see the other side of the moon, not from where we are here on Earth, unfortunately. It looks really cool though. The camera I'm using is just my iPhone 8, and the lens is technically the telescope itself. It's the Meade ETX 80. Oh wow, it's clearing up actually. That's pretty cool. I've got a bunch of filters on here right now, otherwise it would be so bright we wouldn't see anything. Hello, welcome to space. This is the moon. Check it out here. See if you can recognize the face. Here's the face on the moon that everyone talks about. You got the two eyes there to the upper right, and then the mouth is, well, you tell me, is it the one in the center or the one to the bottom left? Yeah, it's just the phone camera. We're going through a lens too. Sorry, not a lens. Like an eyepiece. So this is just projection photography, I think is what they call it, or afocal photography. Yeah, if you want to do like really good photos of the moon, you want to do a prime photography, and that's where you don't have an eyepiece. It's just all the light goes through the telescope and then right to your camera sensor. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining in. Stay safe. I do. It gets about 280 degrees, I believe, in the sunlight, and somewhere around negative 300 in the shade. So even if you were in the sunny side, it was like daytime. If you were to jump into the shadows, you would be jumping into sub-freezing temperatures, but going from 280 degrees or more. It's really hot there. Basically, there's no atmosphere to stop the sunlight from just baking the surface. So, yeah, hot, 280. That's double check me, fact check me, please. Hello, welcome Astro Art Contrast. They have a wonderful telescope over in France. The human body would react very violently, a lot like how it would react just in the vacuum of space. You wouldn't even have to be necessarily on the surface of the moon to have the same sort of effects. The vacuum itself is low pressure, so your body would want to expand, but your skin wouldn't allow that to happen. So you'd just bruise all over the place, and it would be a nasty thing. You would most likely go unconscious in less than about 15 seconds, is what some people said. There was one guy who was exposed to a vacuum on accident, and there was a leak in his suit, and all he remembers is his saliva boiling on his tongue before he passed out. And it wasn't like a hot boiling, it was just the pressure allowed his saliva to boil. But yeah, the searing temperatures wouldn't be fun either. Yeah, he survived. He did all right. Well, once he passed out, they terminated the experiment, and yeah, he was all right. He lived to tell the story. The story that I'm telling you. But do fact check me. I love making sure that I'm right about this stuff. Wow, those craters look so cool. Were you? That's so cool. Where are you at, Logicube? Right? Yeah, the dichotomy of it all. The moon is a harsh mistress. That's a great book. But yeah, no, I totally agree. The moon is super calming. It's fun to look at. I love it. Hell yeah. Ooh. I was just watching a satellite pass above my head. That was really awesome. Yeah, no, the nighttime is awesome. There is a blue filter actually. I'm using sort of like a light pollution filter because I'm in a really light polluted area, but it just makes the whole image look blue. Sorry if I sound like I got stuffy nose. I got to be upside down to look at this thing. But yeah, that's why it looks like that. I'm using a bunch of filters. Otherwise, it would be totally washed out because Instagram just auto exposes, and it's very hard to override that. Yeah, it's not necessarily calm, but it's Bellingham. No one's really going crazy over here. Just working away. How about you? Everything good over there? Does the moon look the same in your sky, except a little less blue? Oh wow, you can see a really cool shadow there. That is so awesome. So there's a big cloud right now in front of the moon. We can't tell just because the telescope is awesome. But, yeah. Just telling you what's up. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Thanks for joining in. I wish I could do it more. I do it for you. I do it for me. I do it for us. Welcome to space. Yeah, see, right? Everything's going to hell, but the moon still looks beautiful. How about that? And it probably still will, no matter what happens here on Earth. Yes, I would love to do that. Please, let's do that. We need to go out space-timing together. I got multiple telescopes now, so, I mean, you don't have to just stand there and watch me have fun aiming these things. You can get in on it, too. I got a new one that has 2 telescopes that aim at the same thing at the same time, so that's going to be a lot of fun. As soon as I get it working. Hello. Welcome to space. This is the moon. It doesn't look this blue naturally, just so you know. And sometimes it does during the day, but not right now. That's a filter that we have. Whoa, there's that one shadow there. That's so cool. There's that one crater that's just like totally encased in shadow. That's awesome. Alrighty, I gotta get going. I really appreciate everybody who came in and said hi. Have a great night and stay safe. Love y'all. Space Time with Robert is signing out. Bye-bye. Keep looking at the moon. Keep looking up.